In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an eBay login error with a quick yet effective fix. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot this issue together. The very first step before you start tinkering with your device is to check if eBay itself is experiencing any problems. Head over to downdetector at downdetector.com/status/eBay. This site will show you if there have been any recent outage reports that might be causing your login troubles. Sometimes eBay might be temporarily down due to updates or maintenance work. If that's the case, simply wait about 15 to 30 minutes and try logging in again. If eBay is up and running, the next move is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, especially if you're using Google Chrome on Windows or Mac. You'll want to hit Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or Command+Shift+Delete on a Mac. Make sure you select all time as the time range and check the options for cookies and cached images/files. Hit the Clear Data button to complete this step. Afterward, close your browser completely and reopen it. Give logging in another go and see if this resolves the issue. A quick tip: try logging in using incognito mode, which you can access with Ctrl+Shift+N, as this can help bypass any hidden cookies. For those using the eBay app on a mobile device, it's crucial to ensure your app is updated. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for eBay, and tap on Update if available. If the problem persists, uninstall the app completely and then reinstall it. Don't forget to restart your phone for good measure before attempting to log in again. This process often solves problems related to outdated app data and refreshes your device's connection with eBay servers. If you're using a VPN or proxy, consider disabling it temporarily. Sometimes eBay's system blocks certain IP ranges due to security protocols. Turn off the VPN or proxy and try logging in again. If you see any error messages like "can't verify your info" or "invalid credentials," it might be time to reset your password. Head to signin.ebay.com and click on "Need help signing in" to follow the password or username reset instructions. They'll send a reset link or code to your registered email or phone number. Remember, if your account has two-step verification enabled, it's crucial that your phone is active and can receive SMS messages. Alternatively, check the time sync on authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, or consider turning off 2FA temporarily from another device that's working. Should you still struggle to log in, consider switching devices or browsers. This might help determine whether the issue is device-specific, such as corrupted browser settings. And finally, make sure your account is not locked or suspended. Visit eBay's support page and select Contact Us to investigate any suspension notices that might have been sent to your email. If nothing else works, contacting eBay customer support could be your final resort. They're equipped to verify your account and reset login permissions, ensuring you can return to using eBay without a hitch.